every morning I take the pajamas that I'm going to wear that night, and I put them on my floor next to my bed, near my pillow, right? Yeah. So tonight I'm hearing scratching noises, and I'm like, what's going on there? So I come over here, and I look, and sure enough, my pajamas are gone. Those are just shorts. And we go to look. Got to get a flashlight. And you see the dog. There's the dog. There's my jammies right there. Right next to him. Yeah. Guilty dog. Pajamas. Every day he steals my pajamas.